Heidelin Diaz, Nesty Petesio, Marjeline Didal, Alex Ayala, Alyssa Valdez.
Ilan lang ang mga pangalang ito sa mahabang listahan ng kahanga-hangang female athletes mula sa Pilipinas. Gamit ang kanilang determinasyon, talento at katatagan, patuloy silang nagbibigay inspirasyon sa ating bansa, lalo na sa ating mga kababaihan.
Alam nyo ba na noong 2012 London Summer Olympics lang unang nagkaroon ng Olympic event kung saan lahat ng kasaling bansa at sa lahat ng Olympic sport categories ay may babaeng naging kalahok?
Nakalulungkot nga talaga na sa kabila ng husay ng mga kababaihan sa larangan ng sports ay hindi pa rin sapat ang pagkilala na natatanggap nila.
So I think I've been playing Frisbee since nung high school pa actually. I was part of my old school's Frisbee varsity team. And it was an all-girls school, kaya all-girls kami. That was really the first time I've ever really joined any sports team na all-girls. And it really impacted me kasi nga I've always just grew up with all men's teams. When I went here sa UPB, I was really glad to see na it was a co-ed team, but there are fairly a lot of strong women members that have been a part. I think it's really important talaga for universities to push for women's sports education in particular. Kasi nga, there's still a stigma when it comes to women playing sports. What we lack is support. What we lack is mainstream support that can continuously help these athletes continue to grow in their sport. Kasi in the end of the day, kahit na nga there's awareness, kahit na nga people know about these sort of issues and stuff, there still needs to be practical application.
Dagdag pa rito, pati ang mga pagkakataon nila para magpatuloy sa kanilang mga larangan ay nalilimitahan.
Kahit ngayong patapos na ang National Women's Month, hindi dapat matapos ang ating suporta sa pagkilala sa ating mga female athletes.
Samahan natin sila sa kanilang paglalakbay sa larangan ng sports. Bigyan natin sila ng lakas at inspirasyon para higit na magtagumpay sa kanilang larangan. Ako si Sandy Aquino para sa 5.